Nano Babo, Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products and services sa Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank, check this out, OYCHA Manok Inasal. As a brief background guys, si OYCHA Manok Inasal started as a front yard business sa Mexico, Pampanga. It started February of this year. It became really hit in their place, but unfortunately yun nga, syempre lahat po ng mga restaurants ay naapektuhan po ng COVID-19 pandemic. So let's start off. Let me give you the name of the dish and the price. Starting off with our kani salad. So ang kani salad natin ay 75 pesos only. The next is itong ating mga inasal. So ating mga chicken inasal has two variants. The first one is the leg plus thigh, and then the other one is the breast plus wings. They actually sell this ready to cook or grilled. No? So yung grilled natin for the leg and thigh is just 65 pesos, and then the breast and wings is just 75 pesos. Now, if you like, to grill it yourself sa bahay, less ka lang dyan ng 5 pesos per piece. And then lastly, on our left, kitang-kita nyo naman po doon, meron tayong chicharon bulaklak. So, yung mga chicharon bulaklak nila guys are ready to fry. Per serving po dyan ay 250 pesos only. And now it's time to taste them. Start tayo dito sa mga kani salad nila. Wow. Alright. Put in the remaining, all the rest of the mango sauce or the mango dip or whichever you want to call it. And then let's give it a quick toss. Good mix. Oh wow! So sa salad nila again, you have your lettuce, your cucumber, carrots. Meron din tayong grated cheese. Plus, I think I saw some pineapples. Oh wow! Vegetables are really fresh. So munchy. Parang sa mga chicharon the term is crunchy. But this one's, it's green, it's munchy, it's fresh. Fairness, masarap. Masarap yung mango sauce nila. Last one before we proceed. So for the inasal guys, again, meron tayong dalawang variants. So the leg plus thigh and then the breast plus wings. So most probably pareho lang yung ang lasa nito. So I'm gonna taste itong leg plus thigh, which I always order. And by the way guys, available din pala sa nila yung the soy sauce and the chicken oil. So normally we partner it with rice. But for today's vlog, please allow me to skip rice. It comes with some calamansi and huge sili. Okay. Wala mo ng sausawan. Oh wow. It is filled with herbs and spices, which is very surprising sa mga ganitong kamurang pagkain. Not your typical grill. I tell you guys, it's not your typical grill. I must say it again, it has a lot of herbs and spices na I think you don't get on a regular house grill. Ganyan. I have to move on guys, but again, before we move on, thank you so much OYCHA Manok Inasal. I'm gonna proceed with the last dish. So itong kanilang chicharon bulaklak. Again guys, they sell this ready to fry. But this is the chicharon bulaklak. Wow. Oh, that was crispy. OYCHA Manok, thank you so much for cooking the chicharon bulaklak for us. It was perfectly fried. Napaka crispy. One more bite before we continue. manyariksik sa salikot, kay lalam dila, kay Kenny, kay ngalang-ngala batal, kay ngarong tilang kebit Kenny. Alright, so lastly guys, I'm gonna, challenge natin to. We're gonna eat this whole chili pepper, red hot chili pepper. But before that, before I leave you guys, again, thank you so much OYCHA Manok for sending us this. Guys, if you like this video, if you like the food that you saw in this video and you want to show support to OYCHA Manok, make sure to contact them. Their fan page is showing on your screens right now. Make sure to call them and yeah, order from them. I believe they serve Mexico, San Fernando, Santa Ana, and the nearby towns. Last one before I thank you for watching Where in Pampanga. We're gonna eat this. So sausaw natin siya sa toyo plus ciao. It's not bad. It's not bad.